How can you type in your own handwriting on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If it's your first time on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you'll then never miss anything important. Well, there are some apps which let you quite literally create your own font. One of them is an application which is called Foxtecc. It is free to download, but you can open it up like that and you'll be able to just start using or select a template and try to come up with your own handwriting style, right? So you kind of try to replicate the letters, but you add your own style to it as well. And that's how you create like your own handwriting, which you turn into a font, right? And that can be exported by tapping the share icon in the top right, which lets you either export it as, the font file. You can install it on your computer or other devices, or you can also install it right away on your iPad with that method, which will add it to your device and you'll be able to use it in various different apps. Of course, not every single app is going to support it. There are applications, for example, Photoshop or Apple Pages and all of these like text and pages editor. Well, those apps are most definitely going to support custom fonts and even that one which you just created, but it's not like you can change the font of your iPad settings, for example, right? Or in other random places. It only works for the creative work and those apps which support it. So I guess that's also important to know about as well. So I would really appreciate your feedback. Share it below in the comment section. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing and you're not going to miss anything important.